Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable PHP file info extension in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explains how do I enable file info extension in cPanel. Navigate to software, then easy page 4. Click the button that says customize next to currently installed package. Click PHP extensions. Search for file info in the search bar and select the extension you would like to install. And then click preview. How do I enable file info extension? How do I enable file info in PHP? Find the PHP installation. Look in the next folder and make sure the file php fileinfo.dll is present. In the PHP installation, look for the php.ini file and open it with Notepad or similar text editor. Search for php fileinfo.dll and you may find a commented or out section. How do I enable file info in PHP ini cPanel? In the currently installed package section, click on Customize button. Click on the PHP extension option from the left. In the search field, type the enter file info. Click the toggle button next to the PHP version that you would like to the PHP extension installed for. How do I enable file info extension in XAMPP? You need to enable the file info PHP extension on XAMPP. You basically need to edit the php.ini file and uncomment the line which enables the extension. You should find the PHP. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.